Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel and GIS and Remote Sensing Solution. And in this video, I will be showing you how you can clip an extent of the necessary online imagery that has already been provided by Esri of the whole United States. And then, so basically showing you how you can clip that since if you try to do that with other raster clipping tools, it might not be able to work because of the extent of the data set and how detailed it is. So let's quickly dive into the video. Um, to do that, I want to come to the catalog the portal since it's an online imagery, and then you have a lot of like your content but I'm using the online ArcGIS online imagery, and then today I'll be using the National Agricultural Imagery Program. So that's the NAIP data set, and hit enter and wait for that. So I want to import, so that's the S3 imagery. So I want to import the color infrared dataset and just give it a couple of time to load. And as you can see, it covers the whole United States. And but I want to work with a specific area of interest, and I just toggle this off to just go straight to where I want to work on. So I want to see the extent of, my area of interest is Portland, Maine, and I think it's quite a wonderful city. And so this is the airport, and then somewhere downtown here. Plug it up again. So that's downtown Portland, and it's quite pretty, guys. So this is the data, and then that's how how detailed it is, and you could see things it's quite detailed, so you might want to use it, but the issue might then be clipping out the area of interest, and that's what I'm going to show you in this video. So guys, before I show you that, I will also want to show you some of the clipping tools that might not likely work and why. So let's see, and why the one that I will show you at the end would also be the one that you might also want to use. So extract by mask. I mean this. So when I try that, you see it pops up, and then it can't process it because of the you could just pause the video and then read through it, but it won't be able to work because of the sizes. And when you try the clip, you know, and then you still like import it, it would also won't work because of the, yeah, the maximum rows and column. So it won't be able to work. So guys, since it won't be able to work, then that will lead us into the next two, which is the make, which is the make image. Oh, just typing out in capital letters, but so which is the make image server layer. So to use the make image server layer, you just need to come to the source. You just need to go to the source to be able to input that. Just copy and paste, and then so but also it's able to allow us to do that. You don't see any error warnings, and but now we need to like have an extent, and then here the template, you could use this and select depending, but just to show you, I wouldn't want to be going into that now. And then also we don't have like like a boundary layer. I just want to select an extent, and then but if you have one, you could, these are options for you to do here. And then also these are bound. If you leave them, it's just gonna, you could just select on your particular whatever you're doing, depending on that, you could just, use some of these. And also these two, you could just, use the current map or whatever you want to do, whatever works for you. But what I also want to show you, since I don't have a particular extent, and then I'll be using these. So I'll just kind of draw, and so this would be my extent. I'm just gonna zoom in a little bit on that. Um, oh, so I'll just take this as my extent, and so now we have an extent of downtown Portland, and then just some part of it anyways, but like just to show you. And then the next thing is to like hit run, since we have an extent already, and then it's gonna take like a couple of seconds, and we'll get our result that we'll be working on. So here we have a clip image, and when I toggle this particular one off, which is like the whole US, so when I toggle that off, we have like our area of interest, and you can go to the image service layer and click on that, and so that you can be able to transition this to like, oh, so you can be able to transition this to like color infrared, and then you have like this particular extent, and you can zoom in and see how detailed it is. You could see the vegetations, and the road. So that's how quite detailed the data is, and then yeah, you could just use it for a number of other analyses that you're interested in. So guys, this is how to clip an image um, from the uh, imagery S3 imagery, which is already online. And I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and do have a wonderful day. Bye.